Dear friends, welcome to Softdia. In this video, we are going to see how to pass values to the master template so that the child templates which are included on that master blade can access that value. Here we can see in this app.blade.php, this is a master template and we are including different child templates here, front end dot top now dot now 2 top now 1, like these templates are we are included here. But when we how can we pass some values to these child templates, because we are not directly calling any of these child templates, we are just extending this app template in different and other blade templates. How can we pass some values to these templates, because these templates are commonly used in wherever we are accessing this we are extending this app template. Here the way is we can define we can define a function for that. Here in this service provider folder, content service provider, we can define a function like this: view, sorry for a service here, view composer frontend dot app. This is the master blade app template. We are defining function here, view dollar view function dollar view with the, that means we are sending this category, we are selecting these values categories. See, category values we are selecting where parent id is 0 and all the categories are passing to this frontend dot app, and all the child templates in this app templates can access these values. We don't need to call this we don't need to select these values again and again in different templates. Wherever this app template is called, there we can there these category values will be available, and all the child templates inside which are extending this app template can use the category values, right? See here in this app template we are going to see app templates we are using we are including this front end dot top now one. If we go to this top now bar one bar, we can see here we are using these category values, but it was not passed by any other controller. It is directly passed through this service provider. See, service content service provider pass the values of categories to this top now one template, and this is how this top now one blade get these values, because it is included in this app. It is included in this app template, and the service provider passed value to this app template. See, content service provider app it is passing the category values to app value. Okay, that is clear, I think. Simply we can use define a function like this. You can see from the screen the same function you can use with the different variables, different you can access different uh, database values. You can select different values from your database, and they can be passed to whichever template you want to pass here like this. Okay, thank you.